what's up everybody? Thanks for dropping by in for the Grill BBQ. Today we're doing a barbecue poutine. We have a collaboration going with, there's 6 Canadian channels, 6 American channels. We're all going to do a different spin on a poutine, and so you guys make sure you check them out. Once these video links come up, I'll make sure I have them all in the description box. So make sure you click that little arrow, opens up the box, you'll see all the links for all the other channels involved. It's going to be fantastic. Let's get her done, bud. Go Canada!
Welcome to In for the Grill BBQ. The flames begin.
Alright guys, so here we got our ingredients for the barbecue poutine. I'm doing a barbecue chicken poutine. So we have some chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. We have some cheese curds. We have some matzo sticks, some fresh bacon, maple leaf bacon, some jalapenos. Also, we're going to go with some pecan for some flavor. And I like the House of Q rub on the chicken the other night, so we're gonna go with it again today. And also some fresh russet potatoes. All right. So basically, I'm gonna stuff the jalapenos. Then I'm gonna stuff the jalapenos in the chicken. Then we're gonna give them a bacon blanket. This should be great. All right, guys. Stay tuned, everybody. It's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I've opened the chicken breast up and I opened the jalapenos, so I just kind of cut them in half. What I'm going to do is I took some of the, we have here the cheese strings. I'm just going to fit those inside there like so. And we're going to get some seasoning inside, and then we're going to season the chicken as well, and then I'm going to wrap them in bacon. Then we're going to season those with the House of Q on the outside of it. So we're going to get these all done up, see what they look like after. We'll get back to you. Alright, so we got these chicken breasts stuffed with the jalapenos. We have them wrapped in the bacon and seasoned up. We're just going to let them sit here and suck some of that moisture out of the meat. The salt and the rub's going to pull some of the moisture out. So we'll let them hang out here for a few minutes. We'll get the smoker fired up. We'll be back with you. Cheers, everyone. Alright guys, we're getting this smoker fired up. Got some good lump charcoal in there, start a nice base. A little bit of briquettes on top of that. We're going to hit it with some pecan. Let's throw some of those chunks in there, so it's going to be mighty fine. Once we get this thing up to temp, we'll get the chicken on. We'll get back with you. Cheers, everybody. Alright, folks. Smoker's up to temp. We got that chicken on. We're going to let these guys go for a good 40 minutes or so. After that, we're going to stick a temperature probe in them. And then we'll watch them from there. We don't want to overcook them, and we don't want them raw. Well, that's what it's all about. Look at that smoke. We're going to do up the potatoes. And I have a French fry maker thing that I use. Yes, this is how we make French fries in our house. So basically, I just half them up. And I put them in this little press and hope for the best. Boom. There we go. Here's our French fries. They look pretty good. So I'm going to do the whole batch of these, and then we're going to get them into a bowl and let them soak in some cold water for a bit. We're about 30 minutes in here. We've been rocking at about 300, 325, and I just went and flipped them over so you can get a look at them. So there we go. The one on this side here was really close to the firebox, so I ended up repositioning them. So that one got a little bit crispy. We're not going to leave this open too long, but they're looking mighty fine. Yes, yes, you will look so good in a poutine. Yes, my pretties. So this is going to be great. I'm pretty happy so far. So we're going to get this box closed up. I'm going to glaze them up, and then we'll let them get up to temp, and then we're going to pull them. Cheers, guys. Say hi to Legacy.
Hi, everybody.
So what are we doing today?
My daddy's baking protein.
A what?
My daddy's baking protein.
Protein. Yeah, it's going to be protein. Time to get the chicken off for the chicken part of this barbecue chicken poutine. We've cooked them up to about 165. They're going to rest for a little bit. We're going to get them out of the smoker. Pop our temperature probe out. Careful, it's hot. And we're just going to pop them in a foil pan here. Let me tell you guys, they look great. I'm sure they're going to taste even better. Bam. Alright guys, so we're going to let these rest for a little bit. And we're going to get on to the fry part of it. Our fries in the oil here. Fresh cut fries we made earlier. They've been sitting in the cold water. I just put them in for a minute or two. I'm going to take them out. We're going to double fry these fries, get them crispy. Just got to be really careful. I'm dealing with oil here on an open flame. So don't try this at home, kids. Get your parents to help you out if you want to cook with oil on open flame. Boom, there's our fries. We're just going to let them sit to the side and cool off for a second. And then we'll get them back on for the second dip. Alright, so this is the second fry. If you see, I just put them back in after they cooled, and they browned quickly. So these things are going to crisp up nice. A nice golden brown on them. You guys can see that. Oh yes. Oh, beautiful stuff. They're crispy, they're nice. With that nice color to them. They're going to be great. So as soon as these brown up a little bit more, what we're going to do, give them a dusting of the House of Q. House of Q and French fries. Damn. It's going to be great. It is a barbecue poutine, right? Alright, so these are going to come off. So here we have our fries, all nice and crispy. So I'm just going to give them a little bit of a sprinkle of this here House of Q. A little dusting. A bit more. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to build them here. We're going to put them back onto the smoker. We get the cheese curds all nice and melted. Then we'll come back in, top them off with that beautiful chicken breast that we did, and the sauce. It's going to be on time, guys. Well, I don't know if it's going to be on time, but it's going to be great. We're going to put the fries in here. We're gonna hit it with the cheese curds. Canadian cheese curds here. Okay. More fries. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna top this with the chicken breast and the sauce. Alright, stay tuned everybody. Alright, we're back at the smoker. We got the fries and the cheese curds in there. We're going to get them all ooey gooey melted. So that's about it. So we're going to get this closed up. I just want to show you guys here. We got a little bit of charcoal left to get this cheese going. We have the chicken breast. with the bacon and the jalapeno inside, and I wanted you guys to see it first, so we're gonna cut this thing right down the center and have a look-see. This is gonna be the barbecue chicken part that goes into the poutine. See how good we did. Ooh, cheese is melted. You can see the jalapeno in there. It's going to be great. So we're going to get this sliced up. This is going to go on top of our poutine. Stay tuned, guys.
Oh. It's recording.
Alright guys, so here we have it. Look at this gooey mess. We have our chicken here that we've done. We have our fries melted with our cheese curds. We've seasoned them with the House of Q barbecue rub. Now what we're going to do, I'm just going to take this chicken here with our bacon and our jalapeno and our cheese stuffed in the jalapeno. We're just going to place it on the side. And yes, we will be back for a taste test. And here's the sauce that I had the other night. We don't waste anything around here, folks. This is just the barbecue sauce that I had with the country style ribs. And we're just gonna right over top of the chicken with this. Boom. There we have it. Barbecue chicken poutine. Hey, we're back. We have the barbecue chicken poutine. There it is. Let's get some. Let's try it out. Some bacon in there. French fries, the cheese, the jalapenos. Mmm.